you satisfied with the service?
Very satisfied with the service. Big shout out to Clean Cans Hawaii. Thank you guys. Looking forward to the next one.
How dirty was your trash can?
Trash can was pretty dirty. Going with a house of 7 and 4 mango trees, the trash cans would be pretty frequently used and always full. And I didn't like cleaning them.
After working with Clean Cans Hawaii, did you see an improvement?
There's a big improvement on the trash cans. The smell, most of all.
How long did it take?
The service was quick, surprisingly quicker than I expected. I mean, it used to take me a minute to wash out those trash cans, so the service is quick and clean. Thank you guys for that.